Okay guys, welcome back to my channel.
Okay.
Okay, today I want to show you how to make chicken noodle, chicken soup. Yeah, soto. We call it soto. Yeah, chicken. Okay, that's gravy of soto soup, chicken soup. Okay, okay. Let's prepare the ingredient. Okay, we put rice first on the bowl. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, okay, that's cabbage. Put the cabbage on the top of rice. And put the rice noodle also. Okay. Yes, rice noodle.
Wortel,
Is carrot, balance of carrot
tomat,
and tomato, two piece or two slices. Is okay. That's nut and slice of chicken meat. Yes, slice of chicken meat on the top. It's wonderful. Put the scallion and one piece of lime. Yes. Seasoning with salt. And fried onion on the top for garnish.
banyak tidak yang sedikit.
Yes. Oh, yes, that is meatball. Beef. The meat is from beef meatball. Yeah. And the last one is put the gravy of soup, chicken soup. Yeah, this gravy from chicken stock. Okay, finally finish it. Just finish it with the lime. Okay, that's it. Finish. Ciao.